Introducing the Hikvision PWA96-KIT-WB Pro, the heart of your security system protecting your family, home, and business. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to set up your AX Pro, including a PIR detector with mounting screws and a manual guide, and a wireless magnetic detector with a user manual, sticker, alarm panel, and screws. The AX Pro is equipped with all new sensors that offers a long RF transmission distance and two-way communication. It can connect up to 96 wireless zones or outputs, including 48 IP cameras, 16 wired zones, 2 wired outputs, 48 wireless keyfobs, 4 repeaters, 6 sounders, and 8 tag readers and keypads. It can support for up to 48 network users, including 1 installer, 1 administrator, and 46 normal users. The device provides flexible control from anywhere. Configuration can be done via web client, HIK Connect, and HIK Pro Connect based on user access level. The hub offers advanced alarm features, including alarm notification via messages or phone calls, live viewing, alarm video clips via emails and app, and alarm report. With support for SIA DC09 protocol and compatibility with both Contact ID and SIA data format. The Hikvision AX Pro ensures seamless integration into your security system, providing peace of mind and reliable protection for your home or business.